game. Man, the road is so wet at the moment, it's ridiculous. I get to follow an RS650, I think it is. Although I don't really want to follow it. I think he looks like a very upright rider. I'm thirsty, Mum. I'm gonna get around this guy if I can. Oh, nice helmet. Thank you. I think he knew. Wet patches on the road, I've got to ride safe. Just chilling. These wet patches are shit. Trail braking. Backpack. This side pack, even though it's funky, it's not very good for a motorcycle. This is too wet. Road is sodden. Some things you like wet, some things you don't. I keep repeating myself. Okay, well, this is going to slow my progress. Eyes are up. Look at the water everywhere. This is horrendous. How fast the tin tops go. Water there. I went flying through that water like nobody's business. Theoretically, these tyres, I've got road 6s on it, these are the best wet weather tyres you can buy apparently, so that was to be expected. He was riding like he was completely fucked while upright. fun riding when there's so much water on the road. He's always looking for the next wet spot instead of concentrating on looking ahead to get your lines right. Starting point. Oh, it's a Ducati. Nice. He didn't wave to me. Why not? Maybe he hates me. Maybe he already knows me. It's not impossible. Impossible. Man, he was getting along. He was getting it, that guy. Anyway, oh, here comes the Z. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching whatever this was.